Somebody has asked me this question on my Insta. I'm a youngster and a beginner. Please give me a few tips on investing. Wow. If you're a youngster, you've got this huge advantage to avail the maximum benefit of compounding. Compounding in the beginning takes some time, but eventually it will create abundance of wealth for you. So if you're a youngster, these tips are for you. 5 investing tips. Tip number 1, do not lose your money. Warren Buffett rightly said, if you wish to know how to earn money, first you need to know how not to lose money. But we make some dumb decisions every month. We don't pay our bills on time. Credit card bills, phone bills, and other bills. And we end up paying interest. We are not sure about our bank account. We are not able to maintain that minimum balance. Then we end up paying interest as well. These days, these interest amount is hefty. So you got to know how not to lose money. Then another dumb decision. We go for a shopping and we buy so many dumb things just to impress the people we hate. We buy so many dumb things just to impress the people we hate. Wow, what a dumb decision. Then we go on Amazon to buy one thing. We end up buying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. Then later we realize, oh my God, what the hell have we done? We regret, we repent. So do not invest in the heat of passion, and you need to know how not to lose money. Don't overspend. Do not lose your money, because if you know how not to lose money, you can earn money. Tip number 2, do not save to save. Save to invest. Never put your money to rest. Let your money work for you. So invest wisely. How to invest will keep coming with the videos, but do not save to save. Save to invest. Let your money work for you. Let compounding give you maximum benefit, because if you start early, oh boy, this will do amazing things for you. Magic. Tip number 3, the greatest investment. Invest in yourself first. Warren Buffett was very young. In 1950s, he learned public speaking. He honed his other skills. He invested in himself. That's the biggest investment. You need to invest in yourself. Improve your communication, your public speaking, your scale skills, your business skills, your investing skills. Invest in yourself first. Why? Because if you have invested in yourself, you become a brand. If you're a brand, you can earn money. You will never be able to invest if you're not able to earn money. So earn money first by investing in yourself. Tip number 4, start your SIP ASAP. SIP ASAP. You're a student, you're a working professional, or you've started your business. Whatever your budget is, you can invest 1,000 every month in SIP. 1,000 every month in SIP, that's it. So start your SIP ASAP. You'll get 10 to 20% return. Now there are different schemes of SIP. To know different schemes of SIP, do check out channel BI University, School of Investing in Business. You'll get to know more about SIP, but start your SIP ASAP, because your money will start working for you from the same very moment. Let this money work for you. Tip number 5, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So whenever you're taking decision while spending your money, take your decision wisely, because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Your every decision today will come back and haunt you, or will come back and give you benefit. Every single money decision of yours today will come back to haunt you, or will come back and give you benefit. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So I've shared 5 tips for you. 5 tips. If you're a youngster, you need to remember this. Tip number 1, do not lose money. If you need to know how to earn money, first, you need to know how not to lose money. Tip number 2, do not save to save. Save to invest. Tip number 3, invest in yourself first. You are the biggest asset. Invest in yourself first. Tip number 4, start your SIP ASAP. Tip number 5, always remember, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The kind of actions you're taking today, everyday action, will come back and haunt you. Your investing decisions, your poor spending decisions will come back and haunt you. So remember, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And if you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe. I'm repeating once again, and do write in the comment section if you have other questions. For now, bye-bye.